Hi, I'm LJ Brown, and I taught middle and high school science for 13 years. Now, I am an actor, comedian, coach, and author. And I created Superstar Teacher to help the most important people on earth de-stress and be empowered so that they can be the best teacher versions of themselves. I'm extremely passionate about helping teachers. When I was teaching, the most popular problem that I would hear from my coworkers is burnout. I'm so burnt out, I'm so stressed, and it makes it really difficult for me to do a good job in front of my students. We all know teaching is a very difficult job. The most important thing for us to do as educators is to stay grounded and to make sure that we're taking care of ourselves so we can best serve our students. In this 90-minute experience, your faculty and staff will enjoy a 25-minute comedy set. I'll bring the comedy club to you guys. After we laugh and de-stress, I will moderate an hour-long think tank where we will discuss best practices. I will give resources, techniques, and anecdotes that I use to be a superstar teacher. At the end of this workshop, your staff will walk away hopefully still laughing and with actionable steps that they can implement in order to improve the learning environment in their classroom. If this one-of-a-kind, unique professional development sounds like something that your teachers can benefit from, please don't hesitate to click the link in the video or visit ljbrown.com and go to Look LJ at your school. I'm LJ, you keep being great.